Oh, Violet. Wish it's a bit windy today. Oh dear. I'm gonna have a good stretch. So you're in the hay snack, are you? Quish, I'm waiting for Widget to come in. But it's nice and cosy in here. I can see that. We're undercover, aren't we, eh? You know. You're a good cat, aren't you? I'm a very good cat. Oh, the Velcro-Pumpkin's doing well. And like all our other animals, they're very sensible. Oh, good stretch, Chris. You always find a nice bit of shelter, don't you? But it is a bit blustery today. You can hear the wind. We're going to take off, Chris. We're going to take off. Oh, happy Wednesday, everybody. VP, Velcro-Pumpkin, go in, have a... You laid an egg. It's an exclusive. Velcro-Pumpkin has just laid an egg. You never know what's going to happen on the farm. I didn't expect that. It wasn't me, Chris. You're not going to hatch it, are you? No, we're just going to sit on it, Chris. I'm going to keep it warm.